I'd like to talk to you about what you do following your involvement in an automobile accident. What I would suggest that you do is that immediately contact the police department and request and demand that they present to you the police officers' body cams, which they've obtained probably at the arrest or charge of the other driver, and which should show a lot of the pictures and body cams of the area as well, which should show a lot about the result or the attitude of the other driver, and if they're drinking or they're disheveled, or if they're nervous, or if you feel that some of their activities they can reveal that they were at fault, will help you in your case as against the driver and the insurance company for the driver of that vehicle. Now, after that supposedly driver has received a ticket and either has pled guilty, been found guilty at court, you have the right to file and should immediately file for a Freedom of Information Act request. And this should be sent to the prosecutor, I think, and also as well as to the police department to make sure. And you should do it obviously do it by certified mail. You can take it in as well, but I would always cover myself by certified mail. Then the notes, the police officers' notes pertaining to their investigation will and should be made available to you. Now, sometimes certain police departments around Columbus don't spend as much time as they should in investigating accidents, and their word compilation of the case itself may not be particularly helpful to you, but you may find a gem of wisdom that will help you immensely in determining or helping you get a favorable result in your personal injury case against that driver, but through that driver to their driver's insurance company. And the fact you have gone to that extent shows that you're very, very knowledgeable, and that you're someone to be taken into account and more respected by the insurance company based upon your acumen and your ability to do these types of things. So Malek and Malek would suggest you do that, or that your attorney do that for you. Hopefully the attorney will get right on the ball and do that as well, if you whichever attorney you hire. But our firm always attempts to do this. Thank you very much for this opportunity.